And welcome back. Let's kick things off with football. Jamaica Football Federation President Michael Ricketts believes that the assessment by FIFA's venue inspection team for the 2031 FIFA Women's World Cup went well on Thursday. Speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill a short while ago, Ricketts provided an update.
I was with them today. We were at the National Stadium. I spent probably 2.5, maybe 3 hours with them, as there was a online presentation by the contractors, just to give them some assurance that the stadium will be ready. In fact, the assurance from the contractors is that it will be ready by end of 2029, which would give us some time because the World Cup is actually 2031. They, of course, are looking at sites that they will set up, like big screen for games and stuff like that. They're looking at Hope Gardens and maybe 2 other venues. Then, of course, the other real playing venue would be Sabina Park.
And Jamaica is a part of a joint bid with the United States, Mexico and Costa Rica to co-host the 2031 FIFA Women's World Cup. Now, prior to coming to Jamaica, the FIFA officials also inspected facilities in the USA. They'll next head to Costa Rica and Mexico. Ricketts is now looking forward to the 4 host nations getting the passing grade by FIFA.
FIFA now will make the formal announcement at the Congress in Vancouver on April 30. So they will look at all the reports and will now make a formal announcement. It's not a matter of a bid anymore. It's just for us to satisfy the criteria, satisfy the request of FIFA.
The proposal by the 4 nations is the sole bid to host the tournament.